What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2.50 over and over with this one product. That is every couple of seconds. And you'll see right here, I've actually been doing this for quite some time. I've been working quite a bit at this and have earned $1,270 this month already promoting this one product. Now, this hasn't been one or two sales at like $400 a sale. This has actually been over 500 sales literally in the last couple of weeks, every couple of seconds at $2.50 per sale, which is really good. As you guys may have seen on my Facebook group, my YouTube community post, and my YouTube story, I announced that I'm going to be doing a $40 giveaway, or announcing a $40 giveaway in this video, which is really cool. It will either be to PayPal or Bitcoin, depending on what's accepted in your country. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to watch this video first, as this strategy is important for the giveaway. And at the end of this video, I'll announce how you can get this $40. I'll also post a community tab just as a reminder as well with the steps on how to do this. But let's get straight into this video first. And what's nice about this product is it's actually a CPA product, meaning the people that you're promoting this offer to don't actually pay anything for the product, but the company is rewarding you for getting leads and traffic to the specific product. So what's nice is you're giving free value to your audience. I'm going to show you exactly how to get a lot of people to your offer, and because of this, they like your product simply because it's free. They have like a free opportunity to win like free PayPal money or a free Xbox competition. For example, I'll show you the exact product now. They literally just type in the email to enter this competition and you're getting paid $250 per lead that you collect. And I'm going to show you an amazing tool and traffic method to literally get people to click on your offer every couple of seconds. And you'll see right here, this is the specific product I've been using. It's basically a chance to win a new Xbox One. So every time somebody enters their first name and email, you're going to get paid $250 per lead. So you'll see right here, here's my campaign name. I've currently had 5,044 clicks on this campaign, 508 leads, which is a 10% click-through rate, earnings at $1,270 at $250 each with an EPC of 0.25, which is really good. Now, I've not been doing nothing to do this. I've been working a little bit at this, but I'm going to reveal to you the strategy that I've been using to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google and we're going to type in Max Bounty, which is a CPA website, basically where there's so many different cost per actions offers, and you will get paid for performing various different tasks. Now, Max Bounty does have quite a complicated setup. They do have like a submission, and they don't accept everybody who signs up. So what you can do is you can actually come over to Google and type in Max Bounty alternatives, and you'll actually find a ton of alternatives such as ad supply, pop ads, click booth, viral gains, convert to media, intent media, a jug, switch, as well as offervault.com, which are tons of CPA marketplaces where you can get basically similar offers to Max Bounty and promote those as well yourself if you don't get accepted to Max Bounty. So I'm going to sign into my Max Bounty account, and you'll see I've signed into my dashboard, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to search campaigns, and on the search campaigns tab, it's going to look something like this, where you've got tons of various different offers. So what we need to do is we need to click on the search options button. We need to go all countries, all categories, all subcategories, and right here in the campaign name, we're just going to type SOI, which stands for single opt-in. Now, what single opt-in means basically if someone just opts in once with like an email or a name, you're going to get paid for that lead. So you'll see a ton here. There's here's the one I used: win an Xbox One, ultimate rent to own, Mac Flash Player, Rewards USA, Fortnite Bucks, $195 per lead. There's so many different things that you can go and promote in various different niches, such as here, win Disney Plus for a year. You're going to get $2 per lead on that offer. Win $150 pack and save gift card, $2 per lead. But the one I've been using, guys, is this one right here, win an Xbox One. So I'm going to click on this and open this in a new tab. And you can see right here, commission details, single opt-in, $250 per lead, allowed traffic types, contextual display search, your status approved because your account was approved. If your account's approved, your daily cap is 100 actions per day. So that means you can get 100 leads per day at $250 each. That is $250 a day max that you can earn with this method. So the first thing we need to do is, you'll see right here, there's a traffic link over here, or build a tracking link. We need to click on that. We can just use contextual, for example, select a creative link, just a standard text link, and you can see right here, your link will pop up in this tab. So what you need to do is right click, copy this link address open a new tab in your browser, and if I paste this, it will take me to the landing page where I can enter that Xbox competition. So you'll see right here, this page has popped up, full name, last name. Once somebody types that in, you're going to get $2.50 for your lead. So now that we have our link, there's one or two things that we need to go and do to set this up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to shorten this link and go to bit.ly to track the amount of clicks it gets and also to make the link look a little bit neater. And on bit.ly, I'm going to click on create. I'm going to paste this long URL, click on create. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this back half and I'm going to go win free Xbox One, and I'm going to save this link. There we go. You can see my bit.ly link. Now that I've got my short link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually head over to a website called Wave.video, and this is actually going to be something brand new, a new traffic method. It's not going to be pasting our link all over social media and spamming that everywhere. This is going to be something a lot more effective that is a lot higher converting, especially with this type of traffic method. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over to the templates tab. You can sign up for free on this website. It's not a paid website. They do have paid plans where you get a ton more, but the free plan will be fine for now. And once you've signed in, it will take you to a page like this with a whole bunch of different templates, but I'm just going to create a new video from scratch. And what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to create professional and neat looking Instagram story ads. Like, you know, Instagram has the swipe up function. So we're going to create something according to that to get a lot of people to basically swipe up on the video. And we're not going to be creating our own Instagram accounts. We're going to be leveraging other people to do this with lots of followers and get a ton of traffic to our offer. And you'll see right here, they actually have the IG story, Instagram story resolution for you already, 9:16. So click on that and we can now choose from our library. We click on choose from library. And what's the cool thing about Wave, they actually have a ton of free templates for you already. So obviously, since our product is a Xbox One giveaway, we want to maybe try find something related to gaming, like the gaming niche, a gaming video, a gaming picture that we can create our video from. I even typed in Xbox on the search bar and they actually have like free little videos on Xbox. So what I'm going to do is there's actually this one over here that looks pretty cool. If I click on this one, let's have a look at this one. That's actually pretty cool as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this one right here with like the Xbox One and the Apple Watch, like sort of zooming into it. I'm going to click on add. So you'll see right here, I've got my video right here. So for the first 3 seconds of the video, I'm going to type my little message. I've got like a little message. Do you like gaming? For example. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the next half of the video and you'll see like a second text section will pop up over here, and I'm going to put here swipe up and enter a free Xbox One giveaway. And I'm just going to move this up a little bit so that it's not covering the Xbox picture so people can actually see the Xbox picture. Same with the first one. I'm just going to move it up a little bit and you'll see right here, if I click on play, this is what it looks like, which is really good. Now that's like a 6-second Instagram story that will hook a lot of the audience into literally just swiping up and going to enter their email and password, or name and surname, no password, and email to enter this Xbox giveaway, and then you're going to get $2.50 per lead per person that signs up for this giveaway, which is a really great way to get traffic. Now obviously we need to get traffic to the story, and I've got you sorted. So I'm going to hook you up and show you exactly how to do this. And you'll see right here, there is a publish button on the left. Click on that. You can then click on render and you'll be able to save your video to your local computer. And you'll see right here, you can't actually download the video until you have a paid plan. But I actually want to show you a trick to get around this. So you'll see right here, there's a landing page link here. Click on this landing page. It's going to take you to a video on Wave.video's cloud platform. Right click on your browser. I'm on Chrome. Click on inspect elements. Hover over the code until this whole section here is highlighted. Right click on that, go edit as HTML, and you'll actually see right here, if I double click, the big long link to the video will be over here. So if I copy this link, go to a new tab, paste this, click on enter, you can see the video has now downloaded. And you can see right here, this is what this looks like. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to Fiverr.com and type in Instagram influencing or influence, and you'll actually find people here selling gigs. They will basically promote your video on their story with like 60k plus followers. And you'll see right here, here's one here. I will do an Instagram shout out on 500k for facts pages at just $10. I mean, 500k followers is a lot. You'll see right here. I will promote your store to Real 8 Million USA. Okay, that's Pinterest. You could use Twitter as well. So here's a shout out on a 1 million verified Twitter account, $65, which is not bad. So, I mean, if you like spend $65 on that and you're seeing returns of 1,270, that's very good profit, for example. So if I continue to scroll down and you'll see right here, I actually found one here. I will give you an Instagram shout out on my 45.1k verified page, which is really good. So if I actually found a profile on Instagram, which is pretty cool, and she gets pretty good engagement. So like 650 likes, 1,000 likes, 700 likes, 500 likes. It's not bad. It's really not bad likes at all. But the main thing is stories generally get a lot more views than likes on posts. And if I look at the rating, she's got a 5-star rating. And if I look at the comments, just love the fact she was so sweet and available. I'm satisfied with my order. So this person was obviously very happy with the order, and I'm happy with this one too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. I'm actually going to purchase this right now. There we go. You can see right here, customize your package. I'm going to order this now. There we go. So now that I've purchased it, I need to enter my information to work on this order. So photo for promotion, Instagram bundle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a file over here. I'm going to put this video that I've downloaded, the one that I've just created. So while that's uploading, I'm also going to type here, or I'm going to go back to my bit.ly link to get my affiliate link, or the link, the CPA link. I'm going to copy this here, come back to my order requirements. I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to go, hi there, please promote this video, this Instagram story swipe up video attached with this link when your viewers swipe up. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this information I provided is accurate and complete. Then I'm going to click on start order. So there we go. My order is now in the works. I've placed the order. I can also send something to her as a message. The order is in progress. So she'll get the order on her side. And once that's fulfilled, and there we go, guys. She's already processed my order. You can see right here. She replied, good morning. Thanks for your order. We'll work on it shortly. So I'm on her profile on my phone right now, and I'm just waiting for the story to pop up so I can show you what it will look like on her story. And she's also asked me for my Instagram handle or my Instagram tag, and I've just sent her that so she can also tag me in that story. And there we go, guys. You'll see right here on her story, I've got my little video that is now playing on her story with over 45,000 followers. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to follow my private Facebook group down below. I'll leave a link in the description and I'll post my results there. I'll also post my results on my YouTube community tab or my YouTube story. So make sure you got the bell on so you can get those notifications. And then finally, guys, for the $40 PayPal giveaway as promised, what I want you guys to do is I want you to subscribe to this channel, Millionaire Mindset, with the notifications on. I want you to like this video, leave a like on the next video, which will be published tomorrow. So make sure you've got the bell on for that. I'm not going to have a specific time. And the very first person who can count how many times I say the word money in my next video, which will be published tomorrow, as I say, I'm not going to have a specific time, and comments the amount of times I say that in the video first, will win $40 straight to their PayPal accounts or their Bitcoin wallet. So good luck for this PayPal money giveaway. Make sure you've got the bell on for tomorrow's videos so that you can go and do this and win your $40. But right here on the screen, guys, I've got some of my best playlists on how to make money online. Some of the best free courses I've got right here on YouTube. Make sure to choose one of these, and I'll see you there.